Introduction. We live in the world where it can be difficult to manifest what is want. It is easy to believe there are not enough sources of everyone to enjoy. Some will make you believe that only the advanced education or a college degree will you be able to access a better quality of life, but that is not the key to audience. What you need is to switch your mindset. Anyone has to opportunity to see the abundance around them and quickly realize that any goals is attainable. You only have to change your way to thinking and be more open to receive. In this guide you will learn to change your mindset. Acquiring an abundance mindset will allow you to see and access all the wealth that is available for you. Abundance can mean different things to different people. It is important that you have a clear understanding of what abundance means to you. Let's start by defining abundance. When you think living an abundant life, what does it look like for you? Types of mindset. There are two types of mindset: a curiosity mindset and an abundance mindset. The scarcity mindset is more about focusing on what we don't have and our limits. Meanwhile, an abundance mindset is about creating opportunity and believing that there are enough resources for everyone to benefit. A person with a scarcity mindset will be absorbed with the what is missing is one's life. In that situation, the mind become busy worrying and step of use for accessing what we want from life. A secrecy mindset will focus on a limitation and manifest obstacle which can seriously limit our success. When you limit yourself with your briefly and action, you are not open to receive or organizing the abundance with surround you. For a scarcity mind, there is never enough. The person wake up off in the morning thinking they didn't have enough sleep or won't have enough time to accomplish all the things that can be accomplished that day, no matter what is it. The scarcity mindset is set on acknowledging what is not available. The other side of the medal is the abundance mindset. With that mindset, we are realize that our enough is in this world for everyone to receive. You let go of negative feeling that like jealous enough or pretty of yourself and take matter in your one hand. You move from being a victim in your life to a leader. In addition, you don't focus on your limitation but you recognize the good things that are already present in your life and set your intention to manifest more of what you want. With the abundance mindset, the person get up thinking that they will make it to rest in the afternoon and then make a list of what can be accomplished in the day. It is about what is possible, about what is available in the present moment. Step 1: Learn to receive. The biggest reason that blocks many of you from receiving the abundance that exists in your world is deep briefly that you are not worthy of it. Ask yourself, how do you behave when someone compliment you can your skill or how you look? Do you have the tendency of to find an excuse? Or maybe you simple change the subject. People within an abundance mindset are not offered to say thank you when somebody give them a compliment. If you want to start receiving the abundance, start with a simple thank you. Opposite behaviors. You don't ask for help. In order to bring more abundance in your life, you need to be open to receive. and that including receiving help from others. If it is difficult for you to say yes to someone who offer you help, you are telling universe or not be suffering or receiving from others. The same applies if you have hard time asking for help. That is often a surprise to many that showing independence in your our life can lead to blocking the flow of abundance. Opposite behavior, you are uncomfortable with compliments. Compliment are a form of receiving similar to asking for help. If you are uncomfortable with receiving compliment from other, you are demonstrating that receiving is difficult for you. This can automatically lead you to more scarcity. Try to reflect on how you behave when some compliment you on your skill. Do you try to find excuse for why you are not that great? If you want to be more open to receive and attract more wealthy, start by saying thank you when someone recognizes your value. Step 2, find what you love. In order to have a abundant life, you need to figure out what it is that you love doing. Many times we try to do something that others do simply because they are successful. The more you will align with what you love doing, the more abundance you will attract in your life. If you are trying to be someone else, you will block the flow of abundance because you are not in the heart space but in the mind space. If someone succeeds at something, it isn't because of what they do but because of who they are. Opposite behavior, blame others. Do you feel like life isn't fair? Maybe you feel that a lot of the unfortunate situation you are have experienced are not your fault but someone else. If you so, it might be time for you take matter into your one hand. It is basically given off on your one power and leaving all control of your life to external factor like another person. When you give up on your power, it lead you with hopelessness and inability to change your situation. One of the most common behavior in people with the abundance mindset is their ability to take responsibility and know something to change their situation. If you don't acknowledge your responsibility in your life, you are unable to feel empowered to do something about improving your life. Step 3, feel what you want. It is not only important to identify what you want, but it is more important to feel what you want. The more you will align with the feeling that what you want bring you, the more you will attract it in your life. Opposite behavior, you enable others. When we live with scarcity mindset, we tend to experience feeling of jealous and inner. We will often catch ourselves looking at others and wondering why we can't have that they have. One of the thoughts you could often have in wondering why it everyone else has what want and not you. Envy is a feeling that attracts us scarcity because we focus on what we don't have. It can also lead to resentment towards someone people to running relationship with friendship and family. Step 4, appreciate what you have. A simple step to abundance is to start recognizing how rich your life already is. Take the time to appreciate what you have in your life. Maybe it is healthy people. You love your colleges, skill, or the simple beauty of nature that surround you every day. The more you bring your mind in space of appreciation and recognition, the more you are allowing yourself to attract positive things in your life. You will find yourself realizing how abundant your life is and that what you need is right there in front of you. Opposite behavior focusing on the gaps. A common mistake that we tend to do in scarcity mindset is to place all our attention and energy of what is missing on our life. On the other hand, people that lives on abundant life and nature at putting their energy on what they want to manifest. By switching your thousand to be more oriented to what you want, you are painting a clear picture of what is that your desire. By doing so, it is easier to find what you seek when you know what you want, as opposite to what you know you don't want. Do find yourself listening things you are missing in your life? Do you sometimes wonder why you don't have what you want? Are you the type of person that is always focused on getting more? Opposite behavior, you dwell on the past. To dwell on the past means that you spend a lot of your precious energy think about thinking that you are no longer relevant. That behavior leaves you with little energy to manifest what you want in life. If you want to change or accept your past, you have to make choose now and bring your focus back to what you can do now to feel happier. If you want to have a more fulfilling life, ask yourself what choice you can do right now to help you access more abundance. What good do you have going on in your life now? People with an abundance mindset don't delay living a happy life based on something they will get later. They find the joy in the present. Step 5. Accomplish small action. Abundance doesn't happen overnight. Most people who live in abundance life will tell you that they work at the every day. On a delay basis, they are accomplishing in small action that slight them with what they want in life. For example, if what you want is more money, each day you can make small deposit in saving account. $5 a day will become $150 at the end of the month and $1,825 at the end of year. If you on the other hand you want to more love in your life, start with self love. Every day make a point or bringing to recognizing one thing you love about yourself. Opposite behavior, you often use the word don't or can't. Our vocabulary say it lot about our mindset. A person with a scarcity mindset will use many limiting words such as can't, want, or don't. These words have the tendency to know so briefly don't have enough and will never be access what you want in life. To shift to a more abundant life, pay attention to the word you use. Catch yourself using words that set limiting briefly and reframe them into what improve you to do something about the situation. Living an abundant life is available to all individuals on this earth, and it all dependent on the mindset. By applying the tips provided above, you will increase your ability to access the abundance that surrender you and also allow you to manifest what you desire in your life. You will find a abundant, happy, and fulfilling life once you are full aware of your thoughts and your ability to change your thinking process of limiting. Be life and necessity based thinking to abundance. No, now that you can successful access an abundance mindset and achieve whatever they deeply want and delivery they deserve.